Hey there, Sandra. I've been Queen of Tax Deeds with your Facts Friday. We got to work fast this time because I got low battery. So let's discuss the formulas investors use to buy properties. This is my whiteboard here in the office. Just disregard the stuff around here. But we use something called the MAYO formula. MAYO stands for maximum allowable offer. That is the most you should buy it for if you're buying it as an investment. So how do we get to that formula? How do we find out what our MAYO price is going to be? Well, we have to determine the after repair value, ARV. So this is how it starts out. So we take the after repair value, which is basically retail. What are the properties like this one selling for? So let's say you have something that's selling for 100,000, right? And so to figure out what our MAYO is, we're in class now, this is like school, we'll have to solve for MAYO, but this is really easy. So what you want to do is 100,000 and we multiply that by anywhere from 60 to 70%, okay? So you just pick either one. So we will pick this whiteboard. I hardly use it. It's hard to erase anything off of it. So we'll do like 70% here. 100,000 times 70% gives us 70,000. Then we're going to subtract the repairs. Minus repairs. See that? We subtract the repairs from our 70%. So we've got 70,000 minus the repairs, and let's say the repairs on this one was 20,000. So we're going to subtract 20,000 out of here. That gives us 50,000. So this is probably not big enough for you to see here on my board. But don't worry, I'm going to zoom out and bring this all much closer. So 50,000 is our MAYO. MAYO equals 50,000. All right, so we've got 100,000 is the retail price. So it's important you figure out how much the property would sell for, how much other properties like it, fixed up, are selling for, times 0.70 or 60%. You do end up between 60 and 75%. Then you subtract the repairs, and that gives us the maximum price that you should make the offer on. But you know, you got to add some cushion in there. So of course you're not going to make it for 50. You're going to go a little bit lower than that because they may want to negotiate with you, right? So if we're bidding at the auction, we want to make sure that we're going to be able to get it too. So we don't want to make it too low. So in the auction, we may do a price of 60, 65. It all depends. Depends on the market and what's going on with that sale. So anyway, that's the MAYO formula that investors use to invest. Now, in this current climate that we're in, if you're watching in the future and COVID is way over, I wish I can time travel and get to that point too. But right now we have the COVID. I don't want to say that too much in this video because YouTube might take it down. But anyway, with that climate going on, I typically will sometimes make my offer. I'm going to make it less than the 50, right? In case the homeowner negotiates. So maybe 40,000 or 45. And I may drop another 15% depending on the market and what's going on and any uncertainty in the economic future going on, right? Because I don't want to end up buying a property and then coming to find out later that it dropped in value because, you know, the stock market's tanking and more people are getting evicted and foreclosed and stuff like that. So I do adjust my MAYO a little bit. And so that gives me a range of what to offer. And then I decide how much I'm going to offer. So the tricky thing is that you have to be competitive. All right. So anyway, my battery's going to die. I just wanted to show you the MAYO formula and ARV. So it's the retail price times 0.70 which gives us an amount. We minus the repairs. That's how much it's going to cost to fix up the property. And that gives us the maximum an investor will pay for the property. All right. So then you know how much you're going to have to wholesale it for or start selling it for if you're selling it to another investor. All right. Happy investing.